It started with a leak in the pipes.
What's the problem here?
It's about a leak.
And ended with one in my guard.
Wait, would you mind checking the bathroom too?
Sure. Do you always work this hard?
Only when someone's watching.
I might keep watching then.
I don't mind that.
If you ever need anything, just contact me.
Looks like I'll need to find something to fix.
Hi, the water pressure's still a bit off in the bathroom. Can you come?
It's a good thing you called me immediately.
We're really getting along, huh?
Have you always looked this beautiful?
Why?
You're gonna do something about it?
I love you. I love you too.
Turns out, some connections don't need much fixing at all.